Hello dear children, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you in my maths video class. I'm sure children you all are doing good, you all are happy, healthy and safe in your homes. Do take very good care of yourselves, follow all the safety precautions, follow all the COVID protocols and try to stay indoors as much as possible. Go out only if it is extremely essential. बहुत ज़रूरी हो तभी आप घर से बाहर जाओ, अदरवाइज कोशिश करो कि आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा घर के अंदर रहो so that you do not come in contact with other people. Listen to your parents, listen to your elders, follow all the safety precautions, stay home children and stay safe. Okay? In the previous class, I started with chapter number 3, that is addition from 1 to 10. Okay, addition from 1 to 10, that means we will be doing additions on the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, so here I am before you with another video from this chapter, chapter number 3. Okay, so children, turn to page number 28-29 in your maths book. This is your maths book, Perfect Composite Mathematics, and this is page number 28 and 29. Okay. So in the previous class, I explained you about the symbol is equal to. ठीक है? Is equal to का मतलब होता है बराबर. So when we add two numbers, we get a third number. So we place the symbol is equal to in between. इसका मतलब ये है कि the sum of these two numbers is equal to this. मतलब दोनों बराबर हैं. So when we place is equal to, this is equal to, on this side we have something and on this side we have something. It may be different objects, like in the previous class we use this symbol with different objects. उसमें हमने क्या किया था कि दोनों साइड में ऑब्जेक्ट्स को काउंट करके बीच में इज इक्वल टू का सिंबल लगाया था. सो ऑब्जेक्ट्स वर डिफरेंट, दोनों साइड अलग अलग ऑब्जेक्ट्स थी बट देयर नंबर वाज सेम. ओके, 3 boats and 3 aeroplanes, 6 beetles and 6 bells. So number was same, objects were different but the number was same. So is equal to का मतलब होता है कि is equal to की दोनों साइड की जो वैल्यू है that should be same. This is equal to this, मतलब 3 is equal to 3 means दोनों बराबर हैं. ठीक है? So before starting with addition we have done this symbol because in addition we will be using it. एडिशन में हम ये is equal to का सिंबल अभी यूज करेंगे, इसीलिए हमने एडिशन से पहले इज इक्वल टू का सिंबल पढ़ा. ठीक है? इसको कोई भी जो इसको सिंबल बोलते हैं, दिस इज लाइक इज इक्वल टू, सिंबल ऑफ एडिशन, सिंबल ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. सिंबल को हिंदी में चिन्ह बोलते हैं. जैसे आपने हिंदी में पढ़ा होगा न और ह वाले शब्द, तो चिन्ह, सिंबल्स को हिंदी में चिन्ह बोलते हैं. सो दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ इज इक्वल टू. This shows that we have same value on both the sides. ठीक है? ये हमें क्या शो करता है कि we have the same value on both the sides. Okay? So in the previous class we did this. Now today we will be starting with addition on page number 29. Okay? Addition on page 29. Okay, so everyone has opened page number 29 in their maths book. This is page number 29. Okay, this is page number 29. Now here what are we going to do? We are going to count the objects. पहले हम objects को count करके फिर उनका number लिख करके and then we will do the addition. ठीक है? First we will count the numbers. Like example you can see there are 2 frogs and 3 frogs. and का मतलब है जब हम एडिशन करते हैं, सो इन एडिशन and means we have to add. ठीक है, 2 and 3 means we have to add 2 and 3. उसको अगर आप हिंदी में बोलोगे तो 2 and 3 का मतलब क्या हुआ, 2 और 3. ठीक है, और जो हिंदी में 2 and 3, सो 2 and 3 का मतलब है 2 plus 3. ठीक है, सो इन एडिशन इफ इट इज रिटन and 2 and 3, then it means 2 and 3 को हमें ऐड करना है. Okay, so 2 frogs and 3 frogs. Fine, 2 and 3, that means, sorry, 2 and 4. So here you can see we have 2 frogs and we have 4 frogs. Okay, 2 frogs and 4 frogs. So 2 and 4 make 6. 2 frogs and 4 frogs. These make how many frogs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 frogs and 4 frogs make 6 frogs. ठीक है, 2 frogs and 4 frogs make 6 frogs. So that means 2 frogs की जगह we have taken 2 and 4 and 2 frogs and 4 frogs, मतलब 2 frogs और 4 frogs. So and in place of and we use the symbol of plus. and की जगह हम symbol of plus यूज करते हैं जब हम एडिशन करते हैं. ठीक है, जब हम एडिशन करते हैं तो we use the symbol of plus. So 2 plus 4. ठीक है, we use the symbol of plus when we add. So in place of and I have used the symbol of plus, symbol of addition. This is symbol of addition. And make की जगह in place of make we use the symbol of is equal to. 2 frogs and 4 frogs make 6 frog, मतलब 2 frogs और 4 frogs मिल करके 6 frogs बनते हैं. So जब इसको हम मैथमेटिकल टर्म में लिखेंगे, मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म में लिखेंगे, so and की जगह we have used the symbol of plus and in place of make we will use the symbol of is equal to. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Okay, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Fine. So in place of and we use the symbol of addition, that is plus, and in place of make we use this is equal to symbol. Okay, so this is clear. Now we will be doing the exercise, and the exercise is add the objects and fill in the space provided. ठीक है, मतलब ये जो objects हैं इनको add करके फिर स्पेस प्रोवाइडेड मैंने बताया था, प्लेस होल्डर और स्पेस प्रोवाइडेड का मतलब है जो जगह दी हुई है, तो वहां पे आपको लिखना है. ठीक है, सो आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. 2 frogs and 4 frogs make 6 frogs. That means 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Okay, ठीक है. Now let us do the exercise. Add the objects, add the objects and fill in the space provided. Add the objects and fill in the space provided. Now let us start this. Add the objects and fill in the space provided. मतलब जो objects है उनको हमको add करके जो blank space है उस space को fill up करना है. We have to complete the space. Okay. Now first, what do you see? We can see 3 balls and 2 balls. Okay. One, 1, 2. So that means we have 3 balls and 2 balls. Okay. So 3 balls. Okay, in your book. Let me make the blank space first. And make dash. Okay. So in place of and, we use the sign of addition, symbol of addition, that is plus. And in place of make, we use the symbol is equal to. Okay. Now let us do this one. So how many balls do you see? We see 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. So 3 and 1, 2. 2 balls. So 3 and 2 make. 3 and 2 make how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 and 2 make 5. Okay? 3 and 2 make 5. And when we write this statement, this you can say is a statement that 3 and 2 make 5. This is a statement. इसी स्टेटमेंट को जब हम मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. ओके. When we write this in mathematical form. So 3 in place of and, I've used the sign of plus. In place of make, we have used the sign of is equal to. So 3 and 2, that is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Right now we are writing the addition horizontally. हम इसको horizontal लिख रहे हैं एक लाइन में. After this we will do the same thing vertical by writing them vertically also. जो vertical addition होता है. Okay. So 3 and 2 is equal to 5. Okay. Now let us see the next one. Next one, I will only erase the number inside. Okay. Now what do we have? We have 4 dice. Okay. Dice is a cube. मतलब डाइस के जो सारे साइड्स होते हैं, ऑल द साइड्स आर इक्वल. तो 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many dice on the other side? And के बाद how many dice do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 4 and 5. 4 and 5 make how much? 4 के बाद आप फिंगर पे भी काउंट कर सकते हो. 4 तो है. 4 के बाद in addition what do we do? Addition में हम forward counting करते हैं. In addition we count forward. So 4 and 5. So 4 तक तो counting है. 5, 6, 7, 9. ठीक है, ऐसे काउंट कर सकते हो. यू कैन काउंट द ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑल्सो. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so 4 and 5 make 9. Addition in whatever way you do, whether you use your fingers to count, or you count the objects, or you make sticks काउंट करके. आप सपोज 4 है, 1 2 3 4 and 5, तो आप स्टिक्स ड्रॉ करके काउंट कर सकते हो. जैसे भी आप काउंट करोगे योर आंसर विल रिमेन द सेम, क्योंकि 4 and 5 को हम ऐड करेंगे तो इट विल बी ऑलवेज बी 9 ओनली. वेदर यू यूज योर फिंगर्स कि 4 फिंगर्स एंड 5 फिंगर्स, इसको हम ऐसे भी काउंट कर सकते हैं ना कि दीज आर 4 डाइस, तो 4 फिंगर्स, एंड 5 डाइस, तो 5 फिंगर्स. नाउ हाउ मेनी फिंगर्स आर देयर? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 fingers. So whether you use your fingers, or you count the objects, or you make sticks and count them, your answer will always remain the same. Answer जो आपका 9 है वो 9 ही रहेगा. So 4 and 5 make 9, and when we write it as a mathematical statement, ये तो अभी एक statement है, जब इसको mathematical symbols use करके लिखेंगे, so in place of and we have used the symbol plus, and in place of make we have used the symbol of is equal to. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. ठीक है, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay. Now the third one is teddy bear. Now let me make the teddy bear. Teddy bear. देखो कैसे बनेगा. ठीक है, नीचे से थोड़ा राउंड रहता है ना. ठीक है, 1, ये थोड़ा छोटा टेडी बेयर बनाती हूँ. Two, and the third one. Children, please don't laugh. My drawing is not at all good. ठीक है, मेरी drawing अच्छी नहीं है बेटा. ठीक है, 3 and how many more? 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 4. Okay. 1 2. This is 1. This is the second one. This is the second one. We have to make 2 more. 1 2. Three, and this is the fourth one. Okay, So how many teddy bears do we see? And make dash or plus is equal to. Now let us fill up the blank places. Okay. Now how many teddy bears? 1, 2, 3. So that is 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 and 4. ठीक है. 3 and 4 make how much? 3 and 4 को जब आप ऐड करोगे तो कितना होगा? 3 plus 4. 3 में 4 ऐड करो. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 3 and 4 is 7. आप यहाँ भी काउंट कर सकते हो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. You can count here also. So 3 and 4 make 7. ठीक है. 3 and 4 make 7. Or we can write 3 in place of and. We have used the symbol of addition plus, and in place of 4 we have 4 की जगह तुम 4 लिखेंगे. In place of make we have used the symbol of is equal to. Okay. So 3 plus 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is equal to 7. Addition will remain the same. Sum दोनों का same आएगा. आप चाहे उसको कैसे भी ऐड कर लो. The sum will always remain the same. Okay. Now next is, I hope you have done this one in your book. ये आपको अपने बुक में एक्सरसाइज करनी है. ठीक है. Now the next one. ठीक है. I'm simply erasing the numbers inside so that I don't have to make the box again. फिर से मुझे बॉक्स ना बढ़ाना पड़े. ठीक है. Last one is, how many toffees do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We see 5 toffees. One, two, three, four, and 5. ठीक है. And here we see only 2. ठीक है. Here we see only 2. ठीक है. So that means how many toffees? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 toffees and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write 5 here. ठीक है. And how many toffees? 1, 2. So we write 2 here. So 5 and 2. 5 and 2 मिला के कितने हुए? 5, 6, 7. So 5 and 2 make 7. ठीक है. You can count here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 toffees. 6, 7. So 5 and 2 make 7. 5 in place of and we have used the symbol of plus 2. In place of 2 we have used this 2 की जगह तो 2 लिखा. In place of make we have used the symbol is equal to. ठीक है. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. आप 6 ड्रॉ करके भी कर सकते हो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. एडिशन आप कैसे भी करो, योर आंसर विल रिमेन द सेम. फिंगर्स पे करोगे, फिंगर्स को ऐसे काउंट करके करो, या फिंगर्स पे बहुत बार लोग, बहुत बच्चे, lot of people count on fingers also like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So whether you count like this or you draw sticks or you count the objects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, your answer will remain the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have written 5 here. 1, 2, we have written 2 here. So 5 and 2, that is 7. Okay, ठीक है. Now in your book only 4 sums were there. We will be doing a few extra sums also, ठीक है, for practice purpose. बुक में only 4 sums were there. 4 addition sums थे बुक में. तो अभी I will not start a new topic. We will do at least 2 more additions for practice. Okay? इसको मैं erase करती हूँ, ठीक है. Thus I will simply erase the numbers inside. Okay, now stars बनाती हूँ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we write 5. ठीक है, 5 stars and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4. So 5 and 4. 5 and 4 मतलब 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 and 4 make 9. Okay. So how do we write it here? 5 in place of and plus use किया. 4 in place of make is equal to use किया. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay. Children, this is not there in your book. ये आपकी बुक में नहीं है. ये just for practice we are doing it. Okay. ये हम सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस के लिए कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. सो 5 and 4 make 9. Okay. Let us do और करते हैं. I hope children this is clear to all of you. This is very simple. You just have to count the objects and then write. अभी suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है. सो इसको आप कैसे लिख सकते हो? आप इसको सिंपली यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट्स को काउंट करके भी यू कैन फिल इन द प्लेस होल्डर. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. How many oranges are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 oranges. 1, 2, 3. So here we write 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. How many oranges here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4. So 3 and 4 make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 and 4 make 7. And we can write it as addition form. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So is equal to का मतलब है कि the value on both sides should be same. ठीक है. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. इसका मतलब ये है कि जब हम 3 and 4 को ऐड करते हैं तो वो 7 के बराबर होता है. ठीक है. When we add 3 and 4 it is equal to 7. ठीक है. तो ऑन दिस साइड इज इक्वल टू के दोनों साइड, एक साइड को हम बोलते हैं जो इज इक्वल टू के राइट साइड में है, दैट इज राइट हैंड साइड, एंड जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में है दैट इज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. सो वैल्यूज ऑन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड बोथ शुड बी द सेम. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. मतलब 3 and 4 को जब हम ऐड करते हैं तो आंसर क्या आता है? आंसर आता है 7. Okay? So 7 is equal to 7. Fine? So I hope children this is clear. This is very simple and I am sure you all must have understood it very nicely. And in case of any doubt, you can always ask me in the online class the next day. Okay? So children, I will stop here today. That is all for the day. Thank you so much.